How to use Zscaler review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zscaler is a leading cloud security platform, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce protection or slow deployment. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They deploy Zscaler without configuring policies. The surprising truth is that default settings won't fully protect users. Customize web and application policies to fit your organization. Another common mistake is ignoring analytics. Zscaler provides real-time insights into traffic and threats, but failing to review them regularly limits effectiveness. Check dashboards and logs frequently. Many users also overlook endpoint integration. Connecting Zscaler with devices ensures consistent security across your network and remote users. Finally, beginners often skip training employees. Users unaware of security practices can bypass Zscaler protections. Proper guidance reinforces safe behavior. In conclusion, using Zscaler properly requires policy configuration, analytics review, endpoint integration, and user training. Avoiding these mistakes ensures maximum cloud security and smoother operations.